I don't see a pile of gravel. Oh yeah. Actually, it didn't tear up the grass too bad. But there it is, closer to the job site. I got one scoop of dirt. Hee. So just a little update. The junk dirt is in. The gravel is here. This is 411 to be used as a base underneath the track. My brother's got a machine, so I had it for a day. Didn't really screw up the grass too much. It's been very dry though, so you can see the dirt there. I'll be getting there's nothing special about this dirt. There's rocks and bricks and all kinds of crap mixed in with it. It's mostly clay, but it'll be a good base for the flower beds and for underneath the yard and those tracks over there. But he would spread this out, and then there'll be 4 inches of what's called bed mix that goes on top for planting. And just need to spread some of this around. It's not very easy to work with because it's crappy dirt, sticks and stuff like that, but I don't care, it's just fill. So haven't had much time to work on this lately. Haven't even had time to go get boulders, so this is about what I have. I like to spread them out so I can see what I have to work with. I did put this other bridge abutment in, and I didn't see that it slid before the glue dried, so I got to take that apart and re-glue it. That is level from there to where the other one is. See it there, because this will all be trestle. And the dirt will come around to about the edge of the shadow line there, almost exactly. And the trestles will end at about that shadow line, so it'd be kind of cool to have a switch track on the trestles. I think that'll be kind of fun. But there's a lot of fill dirt that needs to get brought in here. And then after the fill, at least under the yard and stuff like that over there, there'll be at least 4 inches of 411 as a road bed. So, and I did finally get my permit to move the fence. You can see the stake right there. That is my property line. Gonna move the fence to the property line so I can have a little bit of room to walk around the other side of that once this is all flower bed. This is the beginning of another yard, just a deadhead yard. Park trains, you only have one way to go out, and that's that way. So these will all be switches coming in here to park more trains. And I mean, I guess that's it. There's your update.